Hey, what's up YouTube? All right, thanks for coming back for another video. So today's video is once again about the S55 AMG. I did some work back in November. I got this kit from FPC Euro, as you'll see in a second. All right, so now you've seen with that kit. So officially as of today, we're driving around in the car and the check oil level light came on, which I've never seen before. Looked into the car, it says that my routine maintenance will be done 2,000 miles, so everything's okay. So I just checked the dipstick on this side, if you can kind of see where I'm pointing, like right there. And half of the oil is gone in the engine. And I'm saying to myself, what the heck is going on here now? I thought maybe I had a bigger leak somewhere. So taking a look around, and this is what I found. Right here, I cleaned these all off because these are magnesium, so they're gonna have a little bit of stuff on there. But looking, and it's leaking from here. Nice golden colored oil. And I took a napkin, I threw it away already, and I took a napkin and put it on there, and it's nice fresh oil that is leaking from this part here and down. So yet again, this gasket maker from the Mercedes Benz place that, you know, they recommended to use has failed on me. You'll have some different bolts that need to be taken off. And of course you need to do the E12. That's number one, that you're gonna do the E12 to take the larger ones off here. And then you can use T25, I'm not sure how good you guys can see that, T25 to take off the smaller ones that are actually placed in between to take this off, all right? All right, so after you got that, just pull your breather hoses off that are right here. You know, they have a little bit of oil into them all the time, which is no problem. So they have that. All right, so to really get this off, you're gonna have to kind of pry at it because the previous gasket maker is on there. You don't have to take this off, but if you want to, you can save time, whatever. Like that, and you're gonna have to pry. All right, so I had to come over here to this corner and kind of wiggle it out a little bit, not too hard or anything like that. Of course, you know, you got a few things in here that's going to be blocking it, but you can at least start from here and kind of wiggle your way out. All right, so now we're going to do a little bit more scraping to scrape some of this stuff off here. Got it off the so mine's a little gloppy because the thing bust on the side, so I had to use a little. So let's go ahead and snap this back on, or I should say push it back on. It's really messy, but that's all right. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna make sure to kind of push it down in there a lot. All right, so that's pretty much how you do that job. Using that right stuff, or the right stuff, is a phenomenal product that they're using. You can get it at Walmart for about $8 or so, about $9, I think, especially where I'm at here in the Northeast. Stuff is kind of expensive, but that stuff works like a miracle because it only takes a little while to kind of cure and become a gasket form. But I just usually let it sit for a couple of hours, you know, just to be on the safe side, since fluid will be going through the system, and you know, just wanted to be nice and cured and ready to go. So that pretty much follows the steps on this project. It's super simple, only takes a little while. I think the longest thing was, you know, trying to peel the old gasket off. But other than that, this job is done, it's completed, and it saves you a ton of money if you're looking for leaks in your M113 engine. That's one of the problems that are plaguing these engines, but it's so simple to, you know, fix and accomplish. Well, thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one.